Here's our simple dinner for tonight. Yeah, pork and beans. Fresh beans, not pork and beans. Alright, so I have my pork already slices into cubes. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And of course, I have already here slices of ginger. Yeah, ginger. And slices of spring onions. Mix it together with your clean hands. Ayan. And then, add a little bit of garlic powder. Yeah. And add 1 piece egg. Mix it together. And add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So we have to mix it very well. Yan. And then preheat the pan, put some oil. Ayan, kapag uminit na siya, enough na yung init niya, we have to put our marinated pork. Yeah. Just mix it well. Then hayaan natin siyang until mag golden brown. So ito na siya, guys. Ayan. And then this time we're going to fry the cubes potato. So yan na, maglagay tayo ng panibagong oil, guys. Ayan. Antayin natin uminit. And then we will add now the potato. Kaya natin siyang maging brown, golden brown. So yun na, guys, brown na ang ating potato. I-add na natin ang ating beans. Yan. And the rest of the ingredients, yung mga onion leaves, at ilagay na natin ang ating pork kanina na nakaset aside. Magdagdag tayo ulit ng 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And garlic powder. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang sarap. Ayan na. Done. So, shikima na. So, ito na siya, guys. Lipat na natin sa ating lagayan. Looks yummy. Pero titikman natin kung talagang yummy. that's it. Thank you for watching. At syempre guys, sikiman na natin. Yummy. Delicioso.